Ladies and gentlemen, gather around for a story of entrepreneurship, extravagance, and the fabulous world of Tilman Fertitta. You might know him as the billion-dollar buyer, or the guy who brought us the jaw-dropping TV show Billion-Dollar Buyer, but there's so much more to this guy's business principles than meets the eye. Let's take a deep dive into the fantastic world of Tilman Fertitta. 1. Dream big, live bigger. When it comes to thinking big, Tilman Fertitta takes the cake, and probably eats it with a side of lobster tail. He's the owner of a luxurious empire that spans restaurants, casinos, hotels, and more. Lesson here. Dream as big as the Texas sky and go after those dreams with unbridled ambition. 2. Risk. Bring it on. Fertitta is no stranger to calculated risk-taking. He started his journey by borrowing $6,000 to buy a small seafood restaurant and turned it into a thriving empire. In business, sometimes you have to take a leap of faith, and Tilman's life story is a testament to that. 3. Master of hospitality. Tilman's empire includes the Golden Nugget casinos and a treasure trove of top-notch restaurants. His secret sauce? He knows that great hospitality is the heart of any successful venture. Treat your customers like royalty, and they'll keep coming back for more. 4. Versatility is the spice of success. Fertitta's business empire isn't just about one industry, he's conquered multiple sectors. From Landry's to the Houston Rockets, he's shown that versatility can be the key to long-term success. Don't limit yourself, explore different avenues to grow and thrive. 5. Branding that's unforgettable. Tilman Fertitta knows how to create a brand that sticks. Whether it's the iconic Landry's logo or the luxurious ambience of his hotels, he understands that branding is more than just a logo, it's an experience. Make your brand unforgettable, and the world will remember you. 6. Building strong relationships. In business, it's not just about what you know, it's about who you know. Fertitta has mastered the art of building relationships, which has played a crucial role in his success. Cultivate meaningful connections, and doors will open. 7. Stay humble, stay hungry. Despite his immense success, Tilman Fertitta remains humble and hungry for new challenges. He's always on the lookout for the next big opportunity. The lesson here? Never let success get to your head, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So there you have it, folks. Tilman Fertitta is more than just a billionaire with a TV show, he's a true maverick of business mastery. From dreaming big to taking calculated risks and mastering the art of hospitality, his principles can inspire anyone in the world of business. So go out there, chase your dreams, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the next billion-dollar buyer.
Want to learn more? Subscribe for more mind shop lessons.